Prime Minister Modi calls for faster reforms and urges key ministries to stay youthful and future-ready. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has called on the Union government's key ministries to adopt a more dynamic, technology-driven and future-oriented approach while implementing policies and public services. During a high-level review meeting with senior officials, the Prime Minister emphasized that governance must evolve rapidly to meet the aspirations of India's young population and the demands of a fast-changing global economy. The Prime Minister urged ministries to become more youthful, adaptable, and innovation-focused, encouraging greater use of digital technology, artificial intelligence, and data-driven decision-making. He stressed that government departments should improve efficiency, reduce delays, and deliver faster, more transparent public services to citizens. Officials who attended the meeting said discussions focused on accelerating infrastructure development, improving ease of doing business, promoting employment generation, and ensuring better coordination among ministries. The government also reviewed the progress of several flagship initiatives aimed at strengthening India's long-term economic growth and governance reforms. The Prime Minister highlighted the importance of continuously upgrading administrative systems to keep pace with technological advancements and changing public expectations. He said ministries should remain proactive in identifying emerging challenges and responding with innovative policy solutions that benefit citizens and businesses alike. Policy experts believe the Prime Minister's message reflects the government's broader vision of building a modern, digitally empowered administration capable of supporting India's ambition of becoming a developed nation by 2047. The emphasis on innovation, speed, and accountability is expected to shape governance priorities across multiple sectors in the coming months.